Hi guys, I'm back.
Thank you for getting a cup of milk. What? No. You're a brat.
I don't know.
I'm a brat because I didn't want
Yeah, Harley, guess what I'm doing right now.
Shut video recording.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Are you gonna upload it?
Wow, take a look.
I suck. Wait, that means you suck. You suck, Jose.
You're the girl here.
Hey!
Oh, she smacked me in the face.
We're posting this. No! I'm just laying
Of course I'm. No, get off of me. I don't like you.
Yay!
You're ugly.
That's good for me.
I don't like you.
It was a disaster. All right, movie night.
That was a disaster.
Select for reindeer games.
What? I thought we were watching La Vie en Rose.
What do you mean? Reindeer games is great. Everything goes wrong. On the one day, it has to go right.
But La Vie en Rose is a beautiful movie about the real-life tragedy of Edith Piaf.
There's
Oh my god, Harley, I'm so tired.
Isn't here, is he? Because you were supposed to be watching it, but you were smoking marijuana and he drowned.
What? No, he's in a panic.
Get out of
Where the
here.
hell did you get that?
God, you're just like my brother.
Can't stand it when he's not here.
Which brother?
Antonio.
You know what, Jose? You suck.
Come on, Brian, come upstairs. I want to show you a freckle on my sack that I'm concerned about.
Okay.
Edges.
Let me show you a freck on my sack that I'm very concerned about. Are your dad peeing off the porch? I might be playing some Black Ops 2 or 3 later. I don't know.
This is Brian.
So what are we going to do for family night?
Hey, Daddy, can you give me a cup of milk?
What?
Can you give me a cup of milk? Thank you.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Thanks,
Hey,
Daddy.
welcome to Coho Lazy Day. Please pay attention while I
Yeah,
show
get
you
out.
how to put on y'all's best. Sir, can I use you to demonstrate?
Thank you. I have longed for your attention since the moment I arrived.
Now put
Bye.
your phone over your shoulder.